Welcome to OCP TV, the newsroom for the Open Compute Project Foundation. I'm Barb Mitchell, here at the 2020 OCP Virtual Summit. Joining me today is Donna Yasay, VP Marketing for the Data Center Group at Xilinx. Donna, welcome.
Thank you, Barb, for the introduction, and I'm glad to be here virtually. For those of you in the audience who have not heard of Xilinx before, we are the company who invented the FPGA semiconductor. We hit our 35th year anniversary last year, which is an amazing tenure in the high-tech world, and our CEO, Victor Peng, led the way to transforming the company with a new vision called Adaptable Compute. I head up the product marketing division of the data center business unit, and I'm excited to lead the journey of being leaders in real-time compute, networking, and storage for our company.
Fantastic. What a wonderful intro, Donna. Thank you so much. And I know that you're a sponsor this year. Can you tell us why it was important for you to be part of this summit?
Oh, sure, Barb. OCP is the pinnacle, or I feel it is the pinnacle of data center technology needs. And we feel it's important to collaborate with industry partners and help be part of the ecosystem that enables the development of a more efficient, flexible, and scalable platforms-based solutions. And frankly, OCP is actually a great place to learn from our peers, as well as share our expertise as Xilinx continues to drive real-time computing, networking, and storage, and we're aiming to be at the forefront of the composable network.
Right, sounds like a perfect fit, actually. And so, speaking of the company Xilinx, I know there's been some exciting developments. Do you have any news you'd like to share with us today?
Oh, yeah, yes. We actually recently announced in March, prior to the shelter from home, 2 products for the original OCP Summit Showcase. Xilinx's first SmartNIC, the Alveo U25, which was a technology that we inherited from our acquisition from SolarFlare last year. So the Alveo U25 is the industry's first converged SmartNIC, and it's an FPGA-based engine that supports full programmability combined with turnkey accelerated applications to address the industry's most challenging and demanding workloads. For example, SDN, virtual switching, NFV, network function virtualization, NVMe over fabrics, and enabling the key industries such as electronic trading, AI inference, and data analytics, to name a few. We did also announce on top of our first SmartNIC, the extreme scale 10 to 25 gig Ethernet NIC, which is part of the original SolarFlare portfolio and expanding on that, in the OCP 3.0 form factor. So the OCP form factor adapter is designed for high performance electronic trading environments, enterprise data centers, and it also features sub-microsecond latency and high throughput with ultra scale connectivity for real-time packet flow information to thousands of virtual NICs.
So let's talk about the OCP Virtual Summit for a second. And I know there's a big roster, a big agenda ahead for it. What do you hope to take away from it this year?
Oh, definitely. We actually have many exciting demos. We hope that our actual visitors will have a chance to learn more about Xilinx's compute network and storage solutions, and take some time to watch our demo videos with some of our key partners. For example, in our first demo, which is tailored to networking, we will show how hypervisor virtual switching function in a server is offloaded and accelerated as our new Alveo U25 FPGA-based SmartNIC, greatly reducing the server CPU burden and reclaiming resources that can be monetized to run more applications. And at the same time, we will show that how the data bottleneck to the server is opened up now that the SmartNIC is processing data at a much higher throughput. In our second demo, we are focused on compute, which we will show one of our ISVs called TigerGraph, which combines our Alveo technology that's enabling industry healthcare leaders, which is very, very prominent to today's world, to calculate data for up to 50 million patients at under 50 milliseconds. So that's actually 400 times faster than CPUs, utilizing our Alveo 50 accelerated cards. In our third demo, we're actually focused on compute as well, but this time targeted to database analytics. We'll show how Caltrans utilize BigStream's hyper-acceleration layer on our Alveo U50 accelerated card with Samsung Smart SSD storage drives, which maps the Bay Area traffic intensity and speeding up queries up to 3 times faster. And then finally, we will demonstrate a new proof of concept, Open Compute Accelerator module, which is actually leveraged from the Open Compute community, our UltraScale Plus FPGA with 8 gigabits of HBM memory that supports 25 by 8 links to enable a rich intermodule system topology for distributed acceleration.
Wow. What an amazing opportunity to be able to bring those very important demos forward to the audience that's going to be part of this summit. That's fantastic. Great content there. Are there any things that stand out in terms of, you know, maybe challenges you've been able to solve or overcome, or work that you've done because of being involved with OCP?
Oh, definitely. So an example is the emerging Open Compute Accelerator module, that the form factor that I mentioned earlier that we're actually launching. So OCP did a great job of identifying the opportunity, assembling a work group, and defining a common standard. So Xilinx's close collaboration in that process enabled us to build a proof of concept OAM module that interoperates with other hardware being developed in the community. And the coordination within OCP allowed all of us to innovate faster by leveraging each other's abilities.
Amazing. Well, we're looking forward to the summit, seeing all of your demos during the summit, and you know, after that, some of our viewers are going to want to find out more, probably about you. Where can they go? Where can they find you? Where can they learn more?
They literally can go to our Xilinx.com site and take a look at the data center page, and we have all of the wealth of information on that website.
Great. Thank you so much, Donna. Thank you for your time, and thank you so much, viewers, for tuning in to OCP TV. Enjoy the virtual show.
Thank you, Barbara. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.